Hi, this is Ms. McCalmon, Miss Cody's student teacher. Today I'm going to show you how to draw 3 different bees. So for this one I started with a simple circle, and then I added an oval for the body, and then we're going to add some wings. I put 4 wings on mine, so 2 smaller ones and then 2 larger ones. It's okay if they don't match, mine don't, just try your best. And then I added the antenna. And then I'm going to color in the head. Color it all in. And I'm going to give the body some stripes. Now, I did my stripes, I did the black stripes first, and then I added the yellow, but it might be easier to color the whole body yellow first and then add your black stripes. It's up to you. And as you can see, I'm drawing on my iPad, but the same steps would be used if you're using paper or if you're drawing using the seesaw tools. So I'm adding my yellow stripes now, and I do think it would have been easier if I colored the body yellow first, but that's okay. And make sure you color everything in. And then I'm gonna do some light blue lines just to color in some details on the wings. They kind of look like leaves, but that's okay. Alright, and that's the first bee. For your second one, this is a side view. So it's starting with a circle again, and I'm adding 2 antennae, and then I'm going to add the body, and it's kind of a pointy eyeball shape almost. And then I'm going to add the stripes again. Again, you could color the body yellow first and then add your stripes, but I wanted to do all of my black lines first. And this bee has a stinger. You could add a stinger to the other bee that I showed you. And then 2 wings this time, because it's only the side view. And then I added the eyeball. And now I'm going to add the yellow color. The whole thing is going to be yellow this time. The head will be yellow and the body. You can color your bee however you would like, though. It's pretty simple. And if you want to, you could draw a smaller bee and put more than one inside the hexagon. But remember, for this template, you want to keep your drawing inside the hexagon. This last drawing I'm going to do pretty quickly. It's a little bit more advanced, and you can try it out if you want to, but you don't have to. This is a more realistic bee, and it's using the cover of the book as a reference. So I drew the body and the head and the eye and drawing the legs. And then these wings are a little bit skinnier. And then there's an antennae. And there's the eye. Now I'm going to add the body details. There aren't really stripes. I guess you could call those stripes. And then for this drawing, I used more than one color to color in the body, and I'm going to be showing you some shading. You don't have to do this. I just wanted to show one more way of drawing a bee. And for this, you could use colored pencils or marker or just pencil if you'd like, but it really looks more like a bee if you have some kind of yellow color. And we're putting the bees inside the hexagon because that is the shape of the honeycomb, which are inside the beehive. And you'll see lots of this shape in the book. Here I'm adding the shading. Just a little bit of a bonus. If you want to draw the other type of bee, you don't have to keep watching the video, but it's not very long, so if you want to, you can keep watching. I'm just adding some detail. The bees in real life are kind of fuzzy, and they're fuzzy because that helps pollen stick to them. And then I'm coloring in the eye. Bees do have pretty large eyes. And then the wing detail again. And you can always pause the video too if you want to just copy this drawing. You don't have to do it as you're watching the video. And there's some lighter highlights. And that's about it.